In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Excel using a keyboard shortcut. Merging cells in Excel can be incredibly useful for a variety of tasks, whether you're organizing data, formatting your spreadsheet, or preparing a report that looks clean and professional. While most Excel users are familiar with finding this option through the menu bar, did you know there's a faster way to achieve the same result using your keyboard? Yes, there's a shortcut, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be merging cells quicker than ever before. Firstly, let's start from square one. You'll need to access Excel for those who prefer not to install the software. Microsoft offers a fantastic online version which is part of the free Microsoft 365 online suite. This includes not only Excel, but also Word, PowerPoint, and other applications. It's an excellent resource for those who need to work on documents and spreadsheets without committing to a software installation. So, navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on it. For those new to Microsoft 365, this is where you'll enter your Microsoft account details. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's a simple process, just follow the on-screen instructions. After signing in, let's proceed to Excel. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll use an example file I have prepared earlier. This file is stored in my OneDrive, which is seamlessly integrated with Microsoft 365 Online. You can easily access your OneDrive files from Excel Online, making it convenient to work on your spreadsheets from any device, anywhere. Now onto the main event, merging cells using a keyboard shortcut. This is handy for when you want to combine two or more cells into one. It's perfect for titles, headings, or when you're organizing your data into a more readable format. Here's how you do it. First, open your spreadsheet and locate the cells you wish to merge. For our example, let's say you want to merge the first three cells in the top row to create one large header cell. Click and drag your mouse across these cells to highlight them. Now, for the magic part, the keyboard shortcut, instead of navigating through the menu options to find the merge cell command, you can simply press Alt plus H plus M on your keyboard, followed by W and then C. This might feel a bit like a finger exercise at first, but with a little practice it will become second nature. Let me break down this shortcut for you. Pressing Alt plus H brings you to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. M then opens the Merge and Center drop-down menu, and W selects Merge Across, which is ideal for merging cells across in a single row. If you prefer to merge and center, you would use C instead of W after the Alt plus H plus M sequence. It's important to note though, when you merge cells, only the upper leftmost cell's content will be preserved. Any data in the other cells will be deleted. So, make sure to double check your cells before merging them to avoid losing important information. As with any Excel operation, there are several options to achieve your desired outcome. Experiment with the different merging options to see which one best suits your needs. And remember, the beauty of using keyboard shortcuts is that it saves you time. The more you practice, the quicker you'll get, streamlining your workflow and making your Excel experience more efficient. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you a quick and efficient way to merge cells in Excel using a keyboard shortcut. With this knowledge, you can now format your spreadsheets faster than ever before, giving you more time to focus on analyzing your data and less on manual adjustments. Keep practicing this shortcut, and don't forget to explore other keyboard shortcuts available in Excel. They're game changers when it comes to enhancing your productivity. Thank you for watching, and for more helpful tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more ways to improve your skills and streamline your workflows.